Welcome to Selah, a sacred pause in the noise of life. I invite you to find a quiet spot, free from distractions, where you can fully focus on God's presence. As we move through this meditation, engage your heart and mind. Visualize the scriptures. Let the words take root in your soul and repeat the prayers. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Quiet my heart, Lord. Help me to be fully present with you. I rest in the knowledge that you are here, shaping me, molding me, and completing a good work in me. I breathe in deeply, letting my body relax. I picture myself standing at the edge of a wide open field. Green pastures stretching out in every direction. The grass is soft and full, waving gently under a clear blue sky. In the distance, I hear the sound of flowing water, a quiet stream winding peacefully through the meadow. I feel the shepherd's hand gently resting on my shoulder. He speaks softly, lovingly. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside quiet waters. He refreshes my soul. I let His presence guide me forward. I walk barefoot through the soft grass, feeling every blade beneath my feet. I kneel beside the still waters, cupping them in my hands, feeling their coolness, their life. I breathe in the stillness. I breathe out every tension, every worry that has followed me here. I hear the shepherd's voice again. I guide you along the right paths for my name's sake. I smile, knowing I do not have to figure everything out. He leads me. He refreshes me. He restores my soul. I begin to pray from the quiet place within. Father, you see how tired I have been, how hard I have tried to do everything in my own strength. But here, in your green pastures, you invite me to rest. You lead me beside waters that are still refreshing, not overwhelming. You restore me, not by demanding more from me, but by offering me your peace. I breathe in deeply. I imagine laying down in the soft grass, feeling the warmth of the sun, hearing the gentle trickle of the water nearby. I let my heart be cradled in the quiet rhythm of His love. You make me lie down. You lead me beside still waters. You refresh my weary soul. I trust you to guide me along the right paths, even when I cannot see the destination. For your name's sake, you will not fail me. I surrender my need to know every next step. I surrender my anxious striving. I choose to simply lie down in the safety of your care. I take another deep breath in. As I inhale, I breathe in peace, stillness, and rest. As I exhale, I release weariness, confusion, and control. I center my soul on these truths. The Lord is my shepherd. I am led beside still waters. I find rest in green pastures. My soul is refreshed and restored. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. Today, I will walk lightly, guided by the hand of my shepherd. Today, I will trust Him to lead me on the right paths. Today, I will lie down when He says to rest. I will drink deeply from His waters of peace. Another deep breath in. Hold. Exhale slowly, feeling wrapped in the tenderness of His love. Thank you, Father, for leading me, refreshing me, and guiding me. I will rest in your green pastures. I will trust the path you have chosen for me. Until next time, I will stay in your presence and let rest overflow.